Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make popsicles. Making delicious frozen treats at home is super easy and fun for everyone. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite fresh fruit, 1 cup of juice, and a touch of sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Don't forget your popsicle molds and sticks. These are essential for creating those perfect, refreshing shapes. Get ready to blend up some amazing flavors. Now for the fun part, mixing your flavors. Take your 2 cups of chosen fruit and 1 cup of juice, then blend them together until you have a smooth, vibrant mixture. If your fruit isn't sweet enough, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup to achieve the perfect taste. Feel free to get creative with combinations, perhaps a refreshing strawberry banana or a tropical pineapple coconut blend. The possibilities are endless for your custom frozen delights. Once your delicious mixture is ready, it's time to prepare for freezing. Carefully pour the blended liquid into your popsicle molds, leaving about 1/4 inch of space at the top for expansion. Next, gently insert a popsicle stick into the center of each mold, making sure it stands upright. Place your filled molds in the freezer for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours, or ideally overnight, to ensure they become perfectly solid and ready to enjoy. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, enjoying your homemade popsicles. To easily remove them from the molds, simply run a little warm water over the outside of each mold for about 10 to 15 seconds. This helps loosen the frozen treat. Then, gently pull on the stick, and your perfect popsicle should slide right out. Now you have a refreshing, healthy, and absolutely delicious frozen treat to enjoy on any warm day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.